Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you had been there before? Maybe you were having a conversation and it felt like the exact same conversation had happened in the past. This strange and often eerie feeling is called déjà vu, a French term meaning already seen. It's a surprisingly common experience, with studies showing that 2 out of 3 people experience it at least once in their lives. While it might feel mysterious, scientists believe that déjà vu is a trick of the brain, a sign of how our memory systems work. Déjà vu often happens quickly and without warning. It can be a fleeting feeling or last for a few moments. While it can be unsettling, it's important to remember that déjà vu is not harmful. It's simply a reminder of the complex and fascinating ways our brains process information. One theory about déjà vu suggests that it's caused by a temporary glitch in our memory system. Our brains are constantly taking in information from our senses and storing it as memories. Sometimes the brain might accidentally store a new experience as a long-term memory, even if it just happened. When we encounter this situation again, our brain gets confused, thinking it's pulling up an old memory instead of recognizing a new experience. Imagine walking into a bakery for the first time. The smell of fresh bread, the sight of colorful pastries, and the sound of the cashier greeting customers all create a sensory experience. Due to a glitch, your brain might accidentally store this new experience as a long-term memory. The next time you walk into the bakery, your brain retrieves this memory, leading to the feeling of déjà vu. Another theory focuses on how we perceive the world around us. Our brains process information incredibly fast, but sometimes there can be a slight delay between our initial perception and our full awareness of it. This split-second difference might create the illusion of familiarity. This is called the split perception theory. For example, imagine you're walking down a street and you see a dog out of the corner of your eye. Your brain registers the dog before you fully process it. A moment later, you turn your head and see the dog again. This second glance, now processed normally, feels like a repeat of the first, even though it's just a continuation of the same event. Section 4. The curious case of the hippocampus, a hub for memory and familiarity. Recent studies have shown a link between déjà vu and a part of the brain called the hippocampus. This region plays a crucial role in memory formation, particularly in recognizing familiar places and experiences. When the hippocampus functions correctly, it helps us distinguish between new and old memories. However, researchers believe that temporary glitches or unusual activity in the hippocampus might trigger the feeling of familiarity even when we encounter something for the first time. Interestingly, déjà vu is more common in younger adults and people who travel frequently. This suggests that active lifestyles, which expose individuals to many new environments and experiences, might increase the likelihood of these hippocampal hiccups occurring. Section 5. Conclusion: the fascinating glitch of déjà vu. Déjà vu is a perplexing phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists. While we don't have all the answers, the leading theories point to the intricate workings of our brains, highlighting the complex processes involved in memory, perception, and our experience of reality. It's a reminder that our brains are incredibly complex and sometimes prone to minor glitches. So, the next time you experience déjà vu, instead of feeling unnerved, embrace the strangeness. It's a harmless and fascinating reminder of the incredible capabilities and occasional quirks of your amazing brain.